Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Thursday, the 17th of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. And locally, we saw our wage index number coming at 0.5%. It was very close to the forecast, slightly under. The RBA still has concerns about wage growth in Australia, and it is the question mark on our economy at this particular moment. So that number came in at 0.5%. In the US, we saw building permits come in on the forecast at 1.35 million, and also crude oil inventories at minus 1.4 million barrels. US dollar had a little bit of a profit-taking day, it seems, as it stopped its momentum. But let's see if it can continue in the direction that it has been going in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Alright, time now to have a look at our chart of the day. Incidentally, yesterday's chart of the day. Sometimes trading price action can be frustrating. We were at a very, very good level, and the market shot off as we predicted, but we didn't get price action confirmation, which basically means we didn't take a trade. So don't worry about that, don't get stressed out about it. Just stick to your game plan. Let's have a look at today's chart. Again, I found us a really nice support line. This one's the Euro AUD. As you can clearly see there, I'm showing you that the market has come to this level twice in the past. We are there again, and the question mark now remains, will it break through, or will it bounce up again? Let me zoom in on that so we can all have a bit of a better look. As I zoom in on that area, the current candle here where I'm pointing at is only just begun, so we need to wait for it to complete and see if we in fact do get some kind of price action reversal pattern happening right here. Now, the danger of the temptation to take the trade just because we're on the line, which in yesterday's chart would have worked out for us, but the danger is that we don't get the reversal pattern that we're looking for, and the market just keeps going down. And then when you go back and look back on a trade like that, well, then really it wasn't a trade at all, and you were just trading off a level. So I don't like to trade off a level. I always wait for the confirmation. So add this one to your hot list, the Euro AUD. Should we get that price action confirmation, we'll be ready to go on this one, possibly tomorrow. All right, let's have a look at what's happening in the markets for the session, which is about to kick off. We have this morning at 11:30 locally, we have our employment change numbers and employment rates for the locally for Australia, and then at midday from New Zealand they have their annual budget release. That's the major news for the session, which is kicking off right now. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.